15 knowledge questions for kids. First question. Which animal can fly? A. Dog. B. Dove. C. Fish. B. Dove. Second question. Which animal sleeps all winter? A. Bear. B. Lion. C. Zebra. A. Bear. Third question. Which animal can breathe down out of the water and out of it? A. Shark. B. Whale. C. Hippopotamus. C. Hippopotamus. Fourth question. Which animal can sleep standing up? A. Horse. B. Giraffe. C. Elephant. A. Horse. Fifth question. Which animal can change color? A. Chameleon. B. Tiger. C. Snake. A. Chameleon. Sixth question. Which animal lives in the sand and can to hide in it? A. Crocodile. B. Beetle. C. Scorpio. C. Scorpio. Seventh question. Which animal can talk? A. Monkey. B. Parrot. C. Rabbit. B. Parrot. Eighth question. Which animal has the best night vision? A. Dog. B. Cat. C. Bear. B. Cat. Ninth question. Which animal is the fastest in the world? A. Hawk. B. Cheetah. C. Gazelle. B. Cheetah. 10th question. Which animal is considered the king of the jungle? A. Tiger. B. Lion. C. Elephant. B. Lion. 11th question. Which animal is known for skill of recognizing his name? A. Canary. B. Goat. C. Dog. C. Dog. 12th question. How many legs do most insects have? A. 4. B. 6. C. 8. B. 6. 13th question. Which animal has the biggest mouth in the world? A. Shark. B. Dolphin. C. Whale. C. Whale. 14th question. Which animal has the biggest egg? A. Hen. B. Crocodile. C. Ostrich. C. Ostrich. 15th question. Which animal can fly but cannot fly high? A. Pelican. B. Penguin. C. Owl. B. Penguin.